So today we're going to be working on these young Japanese larch trees and to see what we can be doing with them. Now you may have even seen me working on one in my previous video. I'll link the video in the top right here. But today we've got some more to work on, and here is the first of the selection. And as you can see, these are very flexible and we're just seeing what way they like to. And now we're going to be using 2 to 3 millimeter wire. But first we need to get it into the pot, and we're just going to drive it all the way down to the bottom, and this will work as an anchor. And now we're going to gently wrap it around, making sure that the wire is nice and spaced but not too far apart at the same time. Now this tree we really are going to mess with, and there is some dead on it, but we'll deal with that as we work on the tree. Now in this video I have decided not to talk all the way through it. There will be little post-it notes in the video, and I'll talk here and there just to point some things out. But enjoy! So here we've created an abstract art based tree, and as it thickens over the years, I'm sure it's going to be looking absolutely beautiful. Now for tree number 2. Now I want to do something different with this. I want it to be set for the future development, and the movements we're going to put into it will seem to be a bit drastic now, a lot less than the previous, but as it thickens in time, the movements will become less apparent and give more a natural movement in general. So this one, I feel it can make a very interesting literati style bonsai within a few years. Now it's time for tree number 3. And first off, what we've got to do is deal with all these dead branches. So this is just 3 of the many Japanese larches that I've got for sale, coming up on a website soon. As you can see, I've done some lovely literati styles and abstract style tree, which should bloom absolutely lovely throughout the next few years and onwards. My personal favourite is this one here. I may keep it, I'm unsure yet. I feel like it's going to make a lovely literati tree in the next 10-15 years. But that's if I put it in a big growing pot, and I mean a big one. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like and subscribe, or even share it. If not, no worries, and I'll catch you in the next one.